Hey boo kitties, hey boo hey. In today's tutorial, you guys, I'm going to be showing you how to discover Canva's hidden elements. These are just some of Canva's hidden elements, in particular, Canva's text elements. So you're going to open up Canva. It doesn't matter what design you open up, you guys, what template you open up, what aspect ratio you open up. It doesn't matter. Just open up Canva, choose whichever design you want to do. Then we're going to go over into elements. The first hidden element text that we are going to discover is called metallic balloons. Letters, okay? Metallic balloon letters. You guys, I get so many clients that I'm creating graphics for, and this is one of my favorite set of hidden elements that are a part of Canva's elements, you guys, that I use. Say, for example, the last design that I did was for a customer who owns a lash business, and she had an anniversary. So I basically did the balloons, like the actual balloons and the letters with this, which was like popping, you know? But again, you guys, Canva has a variety of hidden elements, not just text. They have hidden elements when it comes to shapes, graphics, designs, so many hidden elements, you guys. And that's why I say Canva is just lit. Canva is just lit, you guys. So for the purpose of this video, you guys, when I'm creating my thumbnail, as well as what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an example because I want these letters to be imported and placed onto my thumbnail, but I'm going to show you how to import and place this onto a video. If you want to kind of say, for example, if you're doing a vlog and you want to do get ready with me, but the letters GRWM, you want it to be something like this instead of like your regular schmegula text, I got you. So this is what I usually do, you guys. So in the video, I'm going to be doing Canva hidden elements, and I want the title to be Canva hidden elements in the video. So this is how I will personally import these letters. So since we're under metallic balloon letters, you guys, the next hidden elements that I want to do for the word hidden is going to be scrapbook letters like this. Kind of like when you're cutting it out of a scrapbook or a newspaper like this, you guys. And in order to find these hidden elements, you can find it two different ways. The first way is to type in a specified code that's like set colon 34773 blase blase. But I was like, there has to be an easier way to find these hidden elements. So I just started to type in a brief description of the letters that I wanted to use in my videos, right? And this is how I was able to find these hidden elements way easier, you guys. I'm sorry, I got a text. I got distracted. That don't even make sense. Way easier. I was able to find these texts much easier, these hidden elements much easier. So that's why I'm going to put my boo boo kitties on. So you can just type in whatever hidden elements you want to find. So the next word I'm going to do is elements, but I want to do furry letters. I'm going to type in fur letters, and you guys see how above it's only HIDEN because I said I want to do hidden, and hidden has two D's. I already have a D here, so I can just duplicate that in my video. I don't have to do two D's unless I wanted to do two variety of D's, if that makes sense. And I'll show you what I mean in this example. What you'll find, you guys, when you're going through these hidden elements, once you choose, for example, this L fur leopard letter situation is going on, you'll see that it'll say see all, so that it'll have more alphabetic letters within that particular hidden element, right? So I want to do this pink right here for the E, this pink fur letter. You see how it says see all with the blue, the purple under magic recommendations. So I'm going to click see all just to see what other alphabetical letters will pop up under this design. Let's see. Actually, they're right here, so I don't have to go to see all. So let's see here, you guys. I'm going to do, even though I have this E here, this pink E that I can duplicate in my video, I want to add more variety. So I'm going to go with this purple furry E. And guys, comment down below like this video, subscribe if you are finding these videos helpful, because I want to create videos that really cares and helps my boo boo kitties who are on a budget, who are just starting out on YouTube. As her melanin pocket camera coach, that is always my goal and passion, you guys. I really want to help you guys to elevate your content and to show you that in order to finesse your videos and graphics, you don't need to have all of this intricate equipment that I've already had, that I've used for years. I want to show you the easy peasy way. So Let's see, I have this black furry letter. I kind of want to do something different since element has more letters, you guys. So you know what I'm actually thinking of? I'm thinking of furry letters, but that has like that texture with that's like in your carpet. You know what I mean? Like when you, for example, like some of the bathroom carpets have that. It's like those individual long, thick threads that feel so soft. I want to find that, you guys. So I'm probably going to switch out this T if I could find this. And again, you guys, as you're going through these elements, I'm just clicking see all for more to pop up. Boom. This is what I'm talking about, you guys. And say if I didn't find this here, I would have just typed in rug letters or carpet letters, and I'm sure this would have popped up. So I'm going to do T here again because the third word is going to be elements, but I want it to be the furry hidden elements. And I'm going to do N like this. And again, this is how I personally, I gotta change out the S to this metallic right here, y'all. This is another one of my favorite metallics. I think in order to find this, you type in gold abstract metallic letters or gold metallic letters, and this will pop up here. So I'm gonna look for an S, and I'm gonna swap out this blue furry S since we got a lot of fur going on, because I really want to show you guys a variety. Boom, right here, this S here. So we're gonna swap that out and delete this. And if this was like a real graphic, the colors, the theme, the design that I'm choosing would be cohesive. I'm just doing a variety for the purpose of this video to show you guys what you're able to play around with. And this is just a smidget of what Canva has, you guys. So what I'm doing here, you guys, I'm adding 2 letters to each page, and I'm making sure that there's space in between. I'm going to tell you why in a second. So when you download it, download each page individually and make sure that you tick off transparent background and download it as a PNG. Okay, you see this transparent background, make sure that that's ticked off and download it as a PNG because you want these letters to have no background. You want it to just be the letters. And the reason why I do 1 page at a time is because I don't feel like going through the zip files and all that stuff. So yeah, so now we're jumping into Canva to add these letters to our video. You're going to go into Canva, you guys, okay? You're going to hit overlay. I'm just seeing where I want it to start. All right, at the beginning, we are going to go to overlay, add overlay, and I'm going to go to CA. Boom, it has black in the background. That's how I know that there's no background. Boom, like this, right? What I'm going to do though, you guys, is first I'm just going to swipe over and I'm going to go to transform, resize, and I'm going to crop so that it's just a C for Canva. I'm just going to drag this to the end of the timeline so that I can have as much space as I need. And I'm just going to, the first word that's going to pop up is going to be Canva. So I'm just going to drag it exactly where I want it, like this. And we're going to go to animation. We want this to come into the scene with an animation. So I'm just going to choose, rock vertically. Now what we're going to do, you guys, we need the A, right? There's an A here. I'm going to highlight this clip where it says C, swipe over to duplicate, drag this copy underneath, right? Highlight that copy. I'm going to swipe over to transform, resize. I'm going to hit reset. So it goes back to regular. Then I'm going to just crop only the A. So now I have the A. This is why I said when you are downloading it on Canva, make sure that there's space in between so that when you crop it, you have the full letter. If they're close together, it's going to be hard to crop. You want to have the full letter. I'm going to go to animation to add an animation. I'm going to just do a random animation, you guys. And I want the A to come in second. So I'm just going to drag this a little behind this C. Now we're going to go to overlay, add overlay. We're going to go to the NV page like this. And we're just going to repeat that process, you guys. We're going to swipe over to transform, resize. We're going to crop it where the N is like this. Now we're going to place the N here. And again, you just do this with all the letters that you would like. It's a bit tedious, but trust me, when I say this is going to have your graphics popping it's going to have it popping like this. I just want to kind of not have it straight. I like when it's a bit lopsided like this. Okay, drag this over there. Now I'm going to highlight and go to animation because I want each letter to come in at its own timing. And you can see I dragged that behind the A. I'm going to highlight, swipe over. I'm going to go to duplicate. We're going to do the same thing all over. For the V, drag this underneath. I'm going to drag this underneath the N, highlight, transform, resize, reset, so it goes back to original. Now I'm going to crop where you only see the V. And again, you guys, you just repeat this process. If you wanted to, what you can do is once you add the N and you crop it, you can go to add overlay and import it again. But instead of doing that, you already imported that image. You're just going to go over and duplicate it. So it just saves time. So we are going to do the same thing. We're going to duplicate the A. Remember, we already have the A from before. So I just highlighted the A that we had on the second row, well, the third row. Dragged it down, animation. So let's just see how this looks. Okay, each letter comes in individually, and now I want each letter to exit at the same time. So this is what I'm going to do, you guys. I'm going to drag right here where I want it to stop. And starting with C, I'm going to highlight, split. A, highlight, split. N, highlight, split. V, highlight, split. A, highlight, split. And now I'm going to delete the remaining clips behind where my bar is right here. Now I'm going to highlight animation, and you see here where it says in out combo. In out combo. Okay, in out combo. If you want your letters to enter with an animation, you're going to be under in. If you want your animations to exit under animation, you're going to go to out. So because we want our letters to have the sticky note animation when it's exiting, I'm going to make sure that I'm underneath the out tab. Okay. So in, out, make sure you go to out, sticky note. We just added the in at the beginning, so it already has an animation when it's entering the scene, but we're going to out, okay? Sticky note, boom. So let's see how this looks. Like this, and then it exits, okay, boom. So I'm just gonna show you with 2 more letters. For the second word that's hidden with the scrapbook letters, you're going to go to overlay, add overlay, just so you can see, you guys. Boom, black background, which means that we successfully imported this from Canva with a transparent background. If it had white behind it, you would know that you probably forgot to tick off transparent background when you were downloading it. So again, what I did was just go to transform, resize. I cropped the H like so. Now we're going to highlight. We are going to add an animation. We're going to be under in because we want this to come in we want this to come in with this animation. Now I'm going to swipe over, go to duplicate. Swiping over, go to duplicate, bring this down, click this clip, swipe over to transform, resize, reset, so it goes back to what it was, the original, and then crop where you just have the eye. And literally, you guys, again, you just repeat, okay, until you have your entire words. And I'm just going to add an animation just to finish this out. But again, Boo Boo Kitties, you don't have to complicate things. Exercise using Canva, you guys. Look, again, Canva has such a variety of ways for you to design without using Photoshop. So take advantage, and this is the end result, Boo Boo Kitties. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll see Boo Boo Kitties tonight because we're uploading 2 videos. Okay.